Get acquainted with the 2023 Nissan Ariya. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, power liftgate. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.